Hello and welcome. Orgasm is the peak of sexual experience and can be an exciting and pleasurable journey for many individuals. Now, let's dive into 10 different ways to experience orgasm. 1. Masturbation. Masturbation is a wonderful way to explore your body and your pleasure points. By getting to know your own body and discovering what touches bring you pleasure, you can experience orgasm through self-pleasure. 2. Sexual intercourse with a partner. Sexual intercourse is the most common way for many individuals to experience orgasm. Building emotional connection and sexual compatibility with a partner can lead to orgasm. Experimenting with different positions, rhythms, and sexual activities can enrich your experience. 3. Oral sex. Oral sex is a method that can enhance sexual pleasure and intensify the orgasmic experience. By communicating with your partner and sharing your preferences, you can explore how oral sex can bring you more pleasure. 4. Fantasies and sexual toys. Fantasies and sexual toys can diversify your orgasmic experience and increase your pleasure. By using sexual toys, you can explore your body and pleasure points further and experience orgasm. 5. Clitoral stimulation. The clitoris is a pleasure point for many women. Stimulating the clitoris can lead to intense orgasmic experiences. You can try clitoral stimulation using your fingers, oral sex, or sexual toys. 6. G-spot stimulation. The G-spot is an area that can lead to intense orgasmic experiences for many women. Stimulating the G-spot with specific techniques can help you experience a different and intense orgasmic experience. 7. Nipple stimulation. Nipple stimulation can enhance orgasmic experience for both women and men. Gentle touches, sucking, or using sexual toys to stimulate the nipples can help you experience intense orgasm. 8. Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises are exercises that strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. Strong pelvic floor muscles can lead to more intense and pleasurable orgasms. You can practice Kegel exercises regularly to improve your orgasmic experience. 9. Tantric practices. Tantric practices involve connecting with your partner on a deeper level, focusing on mindfulness, breathing, and building sexual energy. Tantric practices can lead to intense and prolonged orgasms. 10. Emotional intimacy and connection. Emotional intimacy and connection with your partner can greatly enhance your orgasmic experience. Building a deep emotional connection, trust, and intimacy can lead to more pleasurable and satisfying orgasms. There you have it, 10 different ways to experience orgasm. Remember, everyone's experience with orgasm is unique, so it's important to explore and find what works best for you. Communicate with your partner, listen to your body, and prioritize your pleasure. I hope you found these tips helpful in unlocking the secrets of orgasm. Thank you for watching.